What up, y'all? It's Ro back with another video. In my previous video, I installed a linear pan, floated the floor, and installed cement board onto the shower walls. So in today's video, we're going to be adding non-corrosive mesh wire to our seams, adding Thinset to our shower walls, waterproofing our entire shower, and finally adding tile to our niche and floor. So let's get into it. Officially done with the Thinset of the shower situation. Yes, we are completely done with the thinnest set. Yeah, guys, so we got the niche situation, then we got the knee wall all Thinsetted, and then we also got the curve Thinset too. Some of y'all are talking, oh my gosh, did you drill into the curve? Yes, you did. Oh my gosh, you drilled into the pan liner. Yeah, I did. But guess what? You don't feel any nails over here because guess what? You put Thinset on top of Thinset, on top of Thinset, on top of Thinset, on top of Thinset, so it won't penetrate because that's what pretty much waterproofing does. So yeah, don't worry about that. You know, you can drill into it. Just make sure you cover it up with Thinset. And now we're going to get ready to start the waterproofing. Also, I'll put Thinset all over the floor for the aqua defense or waterproofing to pretty much adhere to this thing a little bit better. Right now, we are about to start with this waterproofing situation. done, or niche is done. Knee wall is done. Sides are done. All that good stuff. Now it is time. Or should I say, it's time to get ready to go to bed. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. So let me show you guys what we've been doing and what has been completed. All right, guys. So we have the shower and the walls already up. Still got some more drywall to do, guys, in these different areas, but overall, yeah, boy, it's almost there with this master bathroom situation. And then we got the pooper over here. Yeah, not done yet, but hey, we're getting somewhere. So let me show you guys the tile, though. It kind of sparkles. You see those sparkles? It sparkles, guys. Let's start cutting and installing some tiles. Thank you all for watching. In the next video, we're going to be tiling the shower walls. So make sure you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment in the comment section. And until next time, I will see you in the next video.